Hey, hello guys, welcome back to this channel. It's awesome having you here. In today's video, we'll be talking about different sessions in forex trading. In the last video, I did some introduction to forex trading, and I also did terminologies in forex trading. So in today's video, we'll be talking about the sessions in forex trading. Basically, we have 5 different sessions in forex trading. And those sessions are the Sydney section, we have the Tokyo session, we have the London session, we have the Frankfurt session, and we have the New York session. These sessions are the name derived from the major cities in which most of these transactions are done. For example, Sydney session represents the Australian and other countries around that time, while the Tokyo session is called the Asian session, represents the Japan and some of the Asian countries. While the London session represents the United Kingdom and the countries within it. The Frankfurt session, which is in the Germany, represents the Europe, while the New York section represents the American markets. Forex trading is actually a 24 hours market. Yes, a 24 hours market. It is most time regarded as the market has never slept because it is open for 24 hours a day except for weekend, that is Saturday, Sunday. So no matter where you are around the world, no matter the time zone, you can actually trade this large, high liquid market. So let me now give you the time they open in GMT. So for Sydney session open by 9 p.m. GMT time. The Tokyo section open by 12 a.m. GMT time. London session open by 7 a.m. GMT time. Frankfurt session open by 8 a.m. GMT time. While New York session open by 12 p.m. GMT time. This is very, very important for you to know the time. So let me give you an example. For example, Sydney session open by 9 p.m. That's GMT time. With close also by 6 a.m. GMT time. Tokyo session open by 12 a.m. GMT time and it will close by 9 a.m. GMT time. New York session open by 12 p.m. GMT time and it's closed by 9 p.m. GMT time, and so on and so forth. And audio session lasts for just 9 hours. Audio session, they last for 9 hours. So the example I give you, explains everything. There is one thing I want you to note. A lot of traders don't really know this. Yeah. It is very good to trade your market when 2 markets are opening at the same time. When 2 of the sessions are opening simultaneously. It's very, very important. I want to note, for example, now, by 12 a.m. GMT time, Sydney session and Tokyo session will be opening together. And it will have more volatility than someone that is trading at 9 p.m. GMT, because the market would be quiet. Another example is 8 a.m. GMT time. London session and Frankfurt session will be opening. In fact, even Tokyo would be with them briefly. So you will notice that the volatility would increase during those time sessions. So as a forex trader, always time your trading to fall in period where 2 or 3 more sections are opening at the same time. By doing that, you will always be at the edge of the market and you'll be learning more important things. That's the reason why I said you should always trade 2 markets opening, because the volatility is always more when the 2 sessions are open at the same time. And in forex market, more volatility means more money. As a forex trader, you really want to trade a quiet market because there won't be much inflation, and it is those movements that make the money for us. So that's all about trading sessions. Very short. If you have any question, do well to drop your question in the comment box. Remember to give this video a thumb up. And always share this video to your friends. Subscribe to this channel if you are yet to subscribe. Click on the bell notification to receive notification from YouTube anytime I drop a new video. Thank you, I love you. Enjoy.